Actually, for a Greek, and we're going to talk about something, we definitely need something to drink. So I've got my Greek coffee here with me, which we learned how to make in one of our last videos. And what we also have is something, a spread that we're going to make that's going to go great with chips. What we're going to make here is Tyrokafteri. Now, Tyrokafteri is two Greek words together. So Teri, Tyro is going to be cheese, and that's why you see we have the Feta cheese here. And then kaftiro is anything that's spicy or hot. And where I learned this, or where I tasted this first, was when me and my buddy, Gabby, were in Thessaloniki for a couple of summers. And being from the islands, I didn't know necessarily a lot of those things. We have our own kind of things that we have over there. But when we were sitting down in the Blaka and we were having Retsina, and we were having Ktopodi and Kalamaria and a lot of that, they had all these spreads, and one of those was this Tyrokafteri, and I really enjoyed it and learned how to make it. To help me with this, I have Teri, who's going to take us through all these ingredients.
We need 8 ounces, this is 2 cups of feta cheese.
Hold up, wait a minute, exactly 8 ounces? Let's just take a little bit of that. 1
cup of red peppers. These are from a jar, not homemade. That to you, please.
Okay.
And 1/3 cup olive oil.
Now that olive oil is actually from one of our parishioners. So I got that when I was at our Greek festival last year. Really, really great olive oil. So try to support all of our small businesses, especially during this time.
And this is 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. And I got this fresh. I squeezed the lemon and I'm using the fresh juice, but you can use from a bottle if you want.
So is that the lemon?
It's the lemon.
The lemon.
Yes. And then we got 1/2 teaspoon of cayenne pepper and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper.
And there's the kafteri that we were talking about.
All right. All right. And that's it. Pulse this for about 30 seconds in the blender. We won't do this on camera because this is a very, very loud. Okay. So we have the finished dip. What is it called again?
Oh, the Tyrokafteri.
Okay. I forgot to mention earlier that this is moderately spiced. If you like it less spicy or more spicy, you can modify the amount of pepper that you put in. It's up to you how you like it. And also, we're going to drizzle a little bit of olive oil on top. Yeah. So what do you think?
I like it. Thanks for joining us for this edition of Kitchen Talk. So we're going to enjoy a little bit more coffee and our Tyrokafteri here with our dinner. And please stay tuned for more episodes of Presbytera and I.
And please try the recipe. And if you do, let us know what you thought of it.
And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and have a great good morning, good afternoon, or evening, wherever you are.